Quick story. Yesterday, a Nigerian guy calls me around, yesterday was Sunday, 5 p.m. and on my WhatsApp line. And they mentioned an organization's name that I'm part of, an international organization. They said, hey, are you not joining the Zoom meeting? We are waiting for you. And in that confusion, while trying to figure out, do I have a meeting? Do I not have a meeting? He says, did you not get the link? The link was shared via email and WhatsApp. Okay, because we are waiting for you, can you check your WhatsApp? And it's in a hurry. It's a Nigerian accent, an older, elderly Nigerian guy. Yeah, I've sent you the link. Check your WhatsApp. Did you get anything on WhatsApp? That's when I said, no Zoom link, but I'm seeing a number, a 6-digit number. Oh, okay, read me that number. In that confusion, I'm reading out that number. And just like that, my WhatsApp was gone. So I'm so sorry to anyone who's being inconvenienced by this, but I have this morning gone to Vodacom, to Capitec, because they're using a Capitec and Time Bank account to take your monies. And Capitec and Time Bank say, I can't report. The people who are victims, please, can they report? Because they can trace the payment and then link it to the accounts, so they can block the account. I'm only going to get my WhatsApp back in 11 hours. So in the next 11 hours, please be careful. Do not send any money. I am fine. This is a scam. My WhatsApp has been hacked. Thank you.
And you know what's even more scarier? A lot of people in our comment section were saying that they have received calls like that. We need to be very careful, fam, especially while taking calls that are not registered in our phones. Because obviously Nigerians are out here on the loose, committing every crime known to man. Anyway, take this as a caution to be very careful of your phone, the calls you take, and everything else. Otherwise, let's continue in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.